Hello everyone and welcome back to another Transformation Tuesday. This time I am extremely excited about Transformation Polish Creation Tuesday. It's because I'm making my own DIY nail polish, which I call Dazzling Diva. This polish is inspired by LynBDesign's Nacho Average Birthday from their birthday trio. This polish is described as a super sparkly hollow base with fuchsia to red to yellow to green shifting UCC flakies and red to gold shifting shimmer. So I'm starting off with the suspension base, and these are some of the items I am putting into my polish today. Y'all, I saw this polish from LynBDesign and I said, you know what? I've got some of those ingredients that I think I have to try to recreate this look. I will put a link in the description to where I've got the suspension base. And the other ingredients I got from our PPU, and I'll have that also linked below to where you can watch that video. And I'm just starting to mix up the first few ingredients, which is the Aurora Shimmer, the flakies, the holographic pigment, and also some of these purple and iridescent flakies that I already had in my stash. Now again, this won't be the same creation as LynBDesign, and her polish is just beautiful, just awesomely beautiful. But I just wanted to see if I can create something that looks similar, but it will be different because like I said, I've added those hex glitters, and I just thought this would pay great homage once again to LynBDesign. She just has some beautiful and awesome polishes. You should check her out, and I have a link below to her website. So here I'm just testing it out to see how it looks on my natural nail. And I said, okay, so far so good. I love the shimmer, I love the shine, I love the holographic and the flakies. I just love it so far. But I said it needed a little bit more color, so I'm using this Glaze polish to add a little bit more color, more pink. I wanted a light pink look to it, a real princey like pink. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm stirring it and looking at it. This is a cameo appearance from my grandson. He said, I wanted to see how my hand looks in the viewfinder, so I let him put his little hand under there. So that was a cameo appearance from my grandbaby. I've completed everything. I've stirred everything. So now I'm just putting it in an old, I think, finger paints bottle where I cleaned it out and everything. And I used this particular bottle because I like the brush that Finger Paints had. And so I did end up cleaning off this polish bottle, just using some acetone and a cotton pad, and I did clean off the wording. Here is just the comparison next to the previous polish that I first made with my nail art kit from DRK Nails, and I will have an upcoming video on that last polish. So this is the finished look of my polish, and side-by-side comparison with LynB and my polish. So you guys, how did I do? If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and also your notification bell so you know when I upload my content, which is usually once a week, and then on Tuesdays for Transformation Tuesdays. And also, please make sure you like this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed. I will see you in the next video. And remember to allow the many to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.